Welcome to the Photonic Cleaning Technologies step-by-step guide. Today we are working on an optic that has received some streak marks from previous water cleaning solutions. We're going to be using red first contact polymer, and we're just going to go ahead and apply it to our optic. Start off with a little bit, using our 15 milliliter vial and brush. We're going to spread that out using only the surface tension. We do not want to physically touch the optic, as this is a no-touch method. Take a little bit to observe your optic and make sure you have an even coat all over the surface. After which, allow 15 to 30 minutes for drying, depending on conditions such as temperature and airflow. Alright, as you can see, polymer is fully cured on to the optic. We're going to take a peel tab, place it onto the surface, quick motion, and carefully peel off the rest, being sure not to touch the optic.